For nearly 20 years, humanity looked at this image and believed we understood exactly how a star dies. This is the Crab Nebula, captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. It looks like a peaceful, glowing painting, a beautiful monument to a dead star. But we were completely wrong. When the James Webb Space Telescope turned its powerful infrared eye toward this exact same spot, it didn't just take a sharper photo, it revealed a chaotic, ghostly structure hiding in plain sight. A cosmic crime scene that defies the laws of physics. Today, we are going to look through 4 different space telescopes to solve a mystery 6,000 light-years away. And trust me, what is happening at the very center of this explosion will make your brain hurt. To truly understand what these telescopes are looking at, we have to travel back in time nearly 1,000 years. On July 4th, 1054, astronomers in China, Japan, and Native Americans across North America looked up and saw something terrifying. A brand new star suddenly flashed into existence. It was so unimaginably bright that it could be seen in broad daylight for 23 consecutive days, and it glowed in the night sky for almost 2 years before fading away. What those ancient astronomers witnessed was a supernova, a giant star tearing itself apart. If that explosion had happened within 30 light-years of Earth, it would have blasted away our ozone layer and wiped out all life on our planet. Instead, it happened 6,500 light-years away, leaving behind a massive, expanding cloud of debris that we now call the Crab Nebula. When the Hubble Space Telescope mapped this nebula in visible light, it showed us these intricate red and orange cages of gas. It looked like an expanding cage, but because Hubble sees what human eyes see, it was essentially blind to the true engine driving the nebula. It couldn't see through the thick cosmic dust. Enter James Webb. By utilizing infrared light, Webb sliced straight through those dust clouds. And look at what it found. See this eerie, milky white smoke filling the interior? Hubble completely missed this. Scientists discovered this isn't smoke at all. It is something called synchrotron radiation. Webb is capturing a swarm of millions of electrons trapped in a hyper-powerful magnetic field. They are being accelerated to nearly the speed of light, releasing a ghostly glow. But this discovery created a massive paradox. What could possibly have enough power to accelerate particles to the speed of light across a nebula that is 11 light-years wide? To find out, we have to look past Webb and look through a third telescope, the Chandra X-Ray Observatory. While Webb sees the gas, Chandra sees pure, raw, high-energy radiation. When we look through Chandra's X-ray eyes, the gas disappears, and the true monster is revealed. Right here, at the dead center, sits a pulsar. This is the crushed corpse of the original giant star. Imagine a star twice the mass of our sun. Now, imagine crushing that entire star down until it is the size of a single city, just 20 kilometers wide. Because it is so densely packed, the matter inside it changes. If you could scoop up just one single teaspoon of this dead star's material and bring it to Earth, that teaspoon would weigh 4 billion tons. But it gets weirder. This city-sized mountain isn't sitting still. It is spinning at a mind-melting speed of 30 times every single second. As it spins, its magnetic field, which is 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's, acts like a giant cosmic generator, blasting out deadly beams of radiation into deep space. This spinning monster is what is pushing the entire Crab Nebula outward. Because we have been watching this cosmic crime scene for decades, telescopes like Hubble have actually caught the universe in motion. If you stack Hubble's images over 20 years, you can see the nebula physically expanding. It is blasting outward into the vacuum of space at a staggering 1,500 kilometers per second. That's over 5 million kilometers per hour. But why do astronomers care so much about a dead star? Why did NASA spend $10 billion on Webb just to look at a centuries-old explosion? Because the Crab Nebula is a literal atomic factory. By analyzing the data from Webb and the IXPE telescope, which maps chaotic magnetic fields, scientists have mapped the exact distribution of elements inside these gas cages. They found massive reservoirs of iron, nickel, sulfur, and silicon. These are the exact ingredients required to build rocky planets. For centuries, humanity looked at the Crab Nebula as just a bright spot in the sky. Hubble showed us its violent beauty. Chandra showed us its high-energy engine, and the James Webb Space Telescope showed us its ghostly inner secrets. Every time we build a better lens, the universe proves that reality is far more bizarre than science fiction. It makes you wonder, what else is hiding in the dark patches of the night sky, just waiting for us to look a little closer? If you want to see more mind-bending secrets that James Webb is uncovering across the cosmos, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment letting me know which telescope image blew your mind the most, and I'll see you in the next video.